Buying an electric pressure washer sounds simple, until every model starts shouting different PSI, GPM, nozzle kits, and max power numbers. In this 2026 guide, we're cutting through the noise and matching each washer to the jobs it actually makes sense for, from cars and patios to tougher outdoor cleanup. And the top pick may not be the biggest one. Let's get into it. Before you buy an electric pressure washer, match the machine to the kind of cleaning you actually do. Tip 1. For cars, patio furniture, windows, and light home cleanup, choose moderate pressure with easy controls instead of chasing the highest PSI. Tip 2. For concrete, sidewalks, driveways, and heavier grime, look for stronger PSI, better water flow, and durable nozzles. Tip 3. Check cord length, hose length, storage, and included accessories because those details affect real-world convenience more than most buyers expect. Let's get into the list. Coming in at number 5, the Westinghouse EPX3100V. This is a great pick if you want pressure washer power without a bulky machine. It works best for cars, patio furniture, steps, small patios, fencing, and quick home cleanup. At about 17.6 pounds, this compact handheld washer is easy to carry, move, and tuck away. It also includes a built-in handle, steel wand, and small body for tight storage spaces. The EPX3100V is useful for everyday residential jobs. It can handle grime on cars, pavers, outdoor furniture, and steps, but it is not the fastest option for large driveways. You get quick connect spray tips, a turbo nozzle, detachable foam cannon, nylon braided hose, and total stop system to help save energy when the trigger is released. Quick tip for making the most of this product: use the 25-degree tip for general cleaning and save the turbo nozzle for tougher dirt on pavers, steps, and concrete edges. Most users like how easy it is to carry, store, and use for smaller cleaning jobs. Just remember, bigger areas may take more time. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a compact pressure washer for cars, patios, furniture, steps, and weekend cleanup. Don't buy it if you need a faster washer for large driveways or heavy concrete cleaning. But if you want a budget electric pressure washer with a more traditional setup, the next pick is worth a closer look. Coming in at number 4, the Sunjoe SPX3000. This is the pick for buyers who want a capable electric pressure washer without spending premium money. It works well for cars, decks, patios, sidewalks, RVs, outdoor furniture, and basic home cleanup. The SPX3000 uses a familiar upright design with rear wheels, a 34-inch stainless steel lance, brass fittings, and onboard storage for easier setup and movement around the yard. With 2,030 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute, it has enough power for most light to medium household jobs. It is especially useful when you want one affordable washer for several surfaces. You get 5 quick connect tips, including 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap. The dual 0.9-liter detergent tanks are useful if you switch between cleaning solutions. Quick tip for making the most of this product: start with the 25-degree or 40-degree tip for safer cleaning. Then use the tighter spray only on tougher surfaces that can handle more pressure. Most buyers like the SPX3000 because it is affordable, easy to operate, and versatile for home jobs. The main note is that extra attachments, like surface cleaners, are usually sold separately. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a reliable budget electric pressure washer for cars, patios, decks, sidewalks, and general home cleaning. Don't buy it if you want premium build quality, quieter operation, or faster performance on large concrete areas. But if portability matters more than raw pressure, the next pick takes a very different approach. Coming in at number 3, the Works HydroShot. This is the pick for buyers who want portability over high pressure. It is great for cars, bikes, boats, patio furniture, camping gear, windows, and quick rinse-down jobs where a corded washer feels like too much setup. The HydroShot is much lighter than a traditional pressure washer, and it can pull water from a bucket, pool, lake, or garden hose. That makes it especially useful when you do not have an outdoor outlet nearby. With 320 rated PSI and 0.53 GPM, this is more of a power cleaner than a full pressure washer. It is convenient for rinsing dirt, mud, dust, and light grime, but it is not built for deep concrete stains. The 5-in-1 nozzle gives you 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and watering modes, so you can switch from focused cleaning to gentle rinsing without changing separate tips. Quick tip for making the most of this product. Some listings include the battery and charger, while tool-only versions are made for people who already own Works PowerShare batteries. Most users like the HydroShot because it is easy to carry, quick to set up, and useful away from power outlets. Just keep expectations realistic because it is made for portability, not heavy-duty pressure washing. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a lightweight cordless cleaner for cars, bikes, boats, patio furniture, and outdoor gear. Don't buy it if you need strong pressure for driveways, large concrete areas, or stubborn built-up stains. But if you want a full-size electric washer with much stronger cleaning power, the next pick moves up a level. Coming in at number 2, the Greenworks Pro 3,000 pounds per square inch. This is the pick for buyers who want stronger electric cleaning without moving to gas. It is a great fit for driveways, patios, decks, siding, fences, vehicles, and tougher outdoor grime. The design feels more premium than basic budget washers, with a rugged steel frame, 10-inch never-flat wheels, onboard nozzle storage, and a long hose and cord for better reach. Greenworks rates it at 3,000 pounds per square inch with 1.1 gallons per minute at high pressure and up to 2.0 gallons per minute at lower pressure. That gives it more cleaning muscle than most smaller electric models. You get 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, soap, and turbo nozzles, so it can shift from gentle rinsing to more focused cleaning without needing extra tips right away. Quick tip for making the most of this product. For concrete and stubborn grime, the turbo nozzle is useful, but for cars, siding, and painted surfaces, start wider and keep the spray moving. Users often praise the strong cleaning performance, labeled nozzle storage, and easy movement. The main note is that it is larger, heavier, and more expensive than basic electric washers. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want a stronger electric pressure washer for patios, driveways, decks, fences, and regular outdoor cleaning. Don't buy it if you only need a lightweight washer for cars, furniture, and small quick jobs. But if you want the best balance of size, price, and everyday usability, the number 1 pick brings it all together. Coming in at number 1, the Ryobi 1,900 pounds per square inch. This is the best overall pick for buyers who want a compact electric pressure washer that is simple, useful, and strong enough for regular home cleaning. It has a small wheeled frame, telescoping handle, and onboard storage, so it is easy to move, pack away, and keep organized after each job. With 1,900 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute, it is made for light to medium cleaning. It works well on concrete, cars, patio furniture, railings, stucco, and outdoor surfaces. You get 3 quick connect nozzles, a 15-degree tip, a soap nozzle, and a turbo nozzle for tougher grime on safe surfaces. Quick tip for making the most of this product. The turbo nozzle is useful on concrete and tough buildup, but use the 15-degree tip first on painted, delicate, or vehicle surfaces. Users like that it is easy to assemble, easy to start, and easy to store. The main note is that it only includes 3 nozzles, so some buyers may want extra tips or attachments later. So, what's the bottom line here? Buy it if you want the best everyday electric pressure washer for cars, patios, furniture, concrete, and general home cleaning. Don't buy it if you need maximum pressure, more included nozzles, or faster cleaning for large driveways. And that is why the Ryobi takes the top spot for most homeowners. So that's our top 5 electric pressure washers for 2026. If you want maximum portability, go with the Works or Westinghouse. If you want budget value, the Sunjoe makes sense. For more power, look at Greenworks. And for the best everyday balance, the Ryobi is the safest pick for most homeowners. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay with Gadget Flow for more smart buying guides.